In this video, we'll be looking at sentences written in the active voice. The active voice is often used when writing or talking out loud because it's clear and direct. An active sentence is the opposite of a passive sentence. In a passive sentence, the verb is happening to the subject. A form of the verb to be and a past participle of the main verb are used, and the sentence often ends in a prepositional phrase that begins with by. For example, the mouse was chased by the cat is a passive sentence because the verb was chased is happening to the mouse. In an active sentence, the subject performs the action, the verb, to the object. Using the active voice, this sentence becomes the cat chased the mouse. Active sentences usually follow the pattern of subject, verb, object. Let's take a look at some examples. Beavers make large dams. The youngest skater won the competition. His quick hands crocheted a pink jumper. Top tip: in an active sentence, the subject will be doing the action. Let's take a look at our first question. Here, you're being asked to tick the sentence which is written in the active. Sentence 1 says, the moth was stopped by the bright light. Sentence 2 says, the sweet nectar was eaten by the moth. Sentence 3 says, the hungry bird caught a large moth. Sentence 4 says, its colourful wings were illuminated by the moon. Each of these sentences begins with the subject. You need to find the sentence in which the subject is the one performing the verb. Have you spotted it? Well done if you said, the hungry bird caught a large moth. In this sentence, the subject, the hungry bird, is performing the verb caught to the object, a moth. This sentence is written as subject, verb, object. For our second question, you're being asked to rewrite a sentence so that it's in the active. The sentence is, the game was won by Ben. In this sentence, the verb is won. You'll need to make sure that the subject at the beginning of the sentence is the person or thing that's doing the winning, and that your sentence reads as subject, verb, object. Pause the video now and have a go. What do you think? Remember that in an active sentence, the subject will be the one doing the action. Let's take a look at the answer. The active version of this sentence would be, Ben won the game. The subject, Ben, is the one who's performing the verb, won. Well done if you got that one right. Hoo-yah! Now it's time for our final question. Rewrite this sentence so that it's in the active. You may wish to say your sentence out loud, or you may wish to write it down on a piece of paper or a whiteboard. Remember to punctuate your sentence correctly using capital letters and full stops. The sentence says, the food was eaten by the pigs. Pause the video now and press play when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great. Let's take a look at the sentence. The food was eaten by the pigs. Rewritten in the active, this sentence would say, the pigs ate the food. Hoo-yah! Well done if you got that question right. If you enjoyed this video today, go and check out some more of our English concept videos available on the Twinkl website.